Before I talk about this website, I am going to make a live withdrawal, and so far I have withdrawn over 60,000 naira on this website. So the first thing to do is that I'm going to withdraw where it is showing balance, which is 1,950 naira. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So the money right here is 1,450. I must have 500 naira kept in my wallet, and that is why it's not showing the balance of 1,950 naira. So we are withdrawing this amount now. So let me just enter it here. Then let me click on withdraw, and I'm going to enter my trading password. Fine, our withdrawal has been submitted. So I'm waiting for my withdrawal to hit my bank account. So I have the total of 62,000 naira that have been withdrawn. Over 62,000 has been withdrawn already on this website. Before I proceed, let me do introduction. My name is Esther Oluwafemi, and on this particular channel I talk about how to make money online, how to better your personal finance and cryptocurrencies. If this is the kind of updates that you want to be getting, make sure to join the family by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also drop your comments to let me know if you found this video insightful enough. So let us jump into the video. The first thing to do is to click the link in the description of this video or in the first comment. So make sure that you put your phone number, set your password. Your login password must be something that you can easily remember, and this graph validates code. Enter the number that you are seeing here. This is 2940. Just enter it here. Then for the verification code, the OTP, just click on send. Then automatically numbers will pop up here. There's no need for you to wait for any SMS before you can get it. Once you are set, just sign in. But because of I have my account already here, so I'm going to sign in into my account. This is the website, and then we have the home, we have the invest, we have task, we have club, then we have accounts. So under accounts, I have withdrawn my money earlier, and then this is what I'm left with. I deposited 5,000 naira on this website, and then so far I have made 62,000 naira on this website. So I make money from my investment because I deposited money here. And also, I am not telling you to deposit money without making your research. Please do well to make your research and invest the amount of money you can easily risk here. It is 5,000 naira that I can risk, and that is what I put into this website. So if you invest 5,000 naira, there's a way you are going to split it. So let me show you. So let us click on invest here. Under invest, we have the stable, then we have the welfare. We have stable and we have welfare. The least investment for stable is 2,500 naira, and under welfare we have 2,000 naira. But you need to invest 5,000 naira because you need to put money in your wallet. So invested 2,500 and 2,000 naira for welfare. If you want to invest for welfare, you must invest for stable. That one is very, very sure. And if you want to invest for stable, you have to split. You are in this situation, you are splitting your money into two. You are going to deposit money under stable, and you are going to deposit money under welfare. The one under stable is 2,500 naira, and then you are going to get your revenue or your investment after 30 days. After 30 days, that is when you are going to get your investment return. So your money will be locked in. That 2,500 will be locked in. And then under this welfare, we have 2,000. And after 3 days, you will get 3,900 naira in total. So we have different investment package for welfare. We have the one for stable too. So the largest or the biggest investment for welfare is 3 million, 3 and 2 million naira. If you want to risk that, you can do that too. But always make sure that you make your research before doing that. So under stable, we have the one for 2,500, the one for 5,000, 10,000 naira, 20. Then we have the one for 1.2 million naira if you want to invest into this. So then we have the tax. After tax, we have this treasure box. And if you click on this treasure box, it's going to take you to that Telegram channel where you'll be given a secret code to put in here to unlock it. And if you are lucky, you can win money for yourself. And under that, we have the Millionaire Club. So you are going to be making money if you are inviting more people. For instance, now if you invite one person, somebody register through your link, you'll be getting 1,000 naira cash. And it's not stopping there. If that person invest more money, you will be getting 30% of their investment. It is quite simple. And if that person introduce somebody into the system, you'll be getting 5% of who that person introduced to the system. And for the level 3, the person I don't know how I'm going to explain it, but you are going to get 1% of it, and it's going to accumulate together, and you will get your money in bulk. Let me put it that way. So we have reward for people. If you invite up to 10 people, you are going to be getting 1,000 naira. So there are different ways to make money here. So we have the club here too. Once you click on this club, you are going to see where to publish. So you are going to publish your credit alerts. So you'll be posting your credit alerts here, and once they approve it, you'll be making money too for yourself because they're going to credit your wallet. It is quite simple. So this is my account, and then I've already withdrawn money. So let me try to go through my commission to see how much that I have already made so far. So every day, I'm having additional money that is adding up to my balance. So I have 25 naira, 250. This is how the money drops in every single day. So this is how I make my money. And once I see that it's already piling up, then I will come here and withdraw my money. So let me just try to check the withdrawal history for you to see how much I've already earned on this website. So this payment now has already entered my bank account. I'm going to show you in this video. So we have 1,450. Then this is how much I've already withdrawn from this particular website. So if you want to deposit money, just come here and click on deposit. If you want to deposit 5,000 naira, just click on 5,000 naira here, then click on to deposit. Once you click on to deposit, then you're going to see the bank account that you are going to send the money into. So once you do that, they are going to confirm from their end, and then that is just it. You can see after the payment is successful, you must come back here and click I have made the bank transfer button. So just come here and then do that, send money into this account. Once you have done that, then click on I have made the bank transfer. So the money will be deposited into your account. And if you want to withdraw your money, let me show you how to withdraw your money. Just click on withdraw, and then just make sure that you read what is here. Withdrawal time is from 8 o'clock in the morning to like 18 o'clock. 18 o'clock is 6 p.m. You can initiate a withdrawal request once a day. It's only once you can withdraw on this website, only once. So you cannot withdraw twice on this website. If you want to withdraw your money, just withdraw everything at once. And then once your money is up to 1,000 naira, you can withdraw your money. And also they charge 5% tax. So if you want to withdraw 1,000 naira now, they are going to charge you 5%, which is 15 naira. So you are going to get 950 naira in your bank account. So if you want to withdraw 5,000 naira, they are going to charge you 5%, which is 250. So you are going to be deducted that money. That is just it, and it's very, very simple. So let me go back to my bank account now and show you how much that's entered. Remember, I withdrawn 1,450 naira. So let's go to my bank account to see. So this is my bank account, and I want to show you the proof that the money has already entered my account. This is how I make money every day, trust me. So the money has already entered, September 30th, around after 5, like around to 6. So this is what I got, and then this is 1,377. The 5% have been deducted already, and this website is still paying if you still want to join. And if you found this video helpful, just let me know, and let me know where you're watching me from. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.